Hello, it's Gare here. Today I want to show you my homebrew PA system. This time on a breadboard. First, before I test it, I'm going to show you all the components. We have this small microphone here, PTT button, and the sound you heard was the speaker over to my right, or my left, and here we have a capacitor and believe it's a 1K resistor. And here is the volume control. And here is the talking LED to indicate that it is on. Again, that's the speaker over there. I'll post a circuit diagram later. Oh, and it is also a battery, a 9V battery. And I wrapped some cables around this audio jack. We have a cable that runs to this speaker. You've seen this device many times. Let's get on to the test. Put the camera over here so you can hear the output. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is only a test. I'm not sure if you could hear that, but I was talking through the transmitter here, and you should hear the voice on the receiver. I don't want to make this video too long, but I will try to demo this system. Sorry for the background noise. Hang on while I fix these wires to keep moving. Problem resolved. Show you how far I can go. Another problem. Still works. Testing. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This concludes the test of this intercom/PA system. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.